So here we are in the back corner of the farm, and I noticed that there's a banana rack here that needs to be harvested. It's gotten a little more yellow than I would like to let it get. Generally, we try to harvest them when you get that first flush of yellow, but this one hasn't been attacked by birds yet, so we're gonna take a look at how we harvest a banana rack. Now that we got this trunk down about this height, it's nice to carve out the bottom. That's going to prevent this from shooting up another shoot. And then we're going to pop that off, split the stalk down, lay it on the ground. That's going to give us extra fertility, a little bit of weed management. All that moisture is going to go back into the clump. So the way we do that is we cut a 45-degree angle like this. Now that I've cut that cut, I should be able to just and there it is. Go ahead and process this